Every company wants to modernize, but too often, transformation costs more time and money than the results it delivers. At NuVista AI, we decided to change that. We built AIHouse, a consulting platform powered by AI and delivered through AWS Marketplace, so modernization could finally move at the speed of the cloud. Instead of contracts, statements of work, and waiting weeks to start, projects begin in hours. AI automates planning, documentation, and engineering, turning what used to be overhead into outcomes. That's how customers are launching data platforms, AI agents, and modern applications in weeks, not months, with full visibility on cost, progress, and quality. And it's why AWS works alongside us through ISV Accelerate, recognizing the impact of over 100 certified experts and hundreds of successful launches. Transformation isn't just about new technology anymore. It's about new economics, where intelligence and automation make enterprise change predictable, measurable, and within reach. So when we say stop overpaying for transformation, we mean it literally. Start faster, spend smarter, and build with confidence. Right on AIHouse, powered by AWS. Book your demo today at aihouse.nuvista.ai.